if you want to transfer your TradingView indicator alert to your MT4 or MT5, then this video is for you. We have a software. By this software, you can transfer your TradingView indicator alert, price alert, and all the things to your MT4 or MT5. Let's see how to do that. So we have a software. Let me show you first these things. This is our software, TradingView to MT4 and MT5. This software, there are few settings you can see here. You can set lot size, you can set take profit or stop loss, and also if your broker have any suffix, I mean after the currency pair, if any extra word there, you can also add that things. And also you can set the maximum open trade or whatever things. And also if you want that, okay, if opposite signal comes, say for example you have, if now there is a buy trade running and sell come, then it close the buy trade and automatically open the sell trade. These things also it can do. So first we need to do set this software in MT4 or MT5, what platform you want to transfer your alert. So first set these things. This is very easy to set up. And then if you set any alert, say for example there I'm going to set an alert. Okay, let's see. Say for example you have an indicator. There is an indicator name simple momentum, and there is an option buy alert and sell alert and all the things. Okay, so there you can do that. Say for example buy alert you set, and also if you want to write something here, you can write. And if you click apply and create, and when we get a signal like these things, say for example there you can see buy come, sell, and this kind of signal, if it come, then it will open a trade in MT5. There you can see there in short there is a sell signal will come. After sell signal, we can see that there it will open a trade. So I think after close this candle, this sell signal will come, because I already set the sell alert also. Sell alert come, and you can see that there it's open a sell trade. And also if a buy alert come, it can open a buy trade here. So by this way you can use our software. If you need more details about these things, you can connect with me by WhatsApp. We can discuss about this software. Also, if you want, I can help you to set up these things in your computer with your strategies, and all the necessary help we will do that. Okay, this is for today. Bye. Have a good day.